Hello student, today we are going to talk about class 8 chapter number 4 and chapter name is material, metals and non-metals. So in previous video we discuss about the this reactions of oxygens and reactions of the with water. So reactions of this water and oxygen with metals and non-metals. Firstly, when metals react with the oxygen, they form a oxide, and in reaction with this water, when acid react with the water, suppose for example sulfuric acid, sulfur dioxide reacts with the water H2O, they form a sulfuric acid. And another example is, suppose calcium hydroxide react with water, they form a sulfuric acid. And also in non-metal they form sulfur. So in this video we discuss about the reaction with acid. So metal react, what happen actually, metals react with the acid. Let us see how metals and non-metals behave as acidic, behaves as a acidic. So there are different in this way metals and non-metals react with acid. What could the pop sound in the same cases due to the when the burning matches stick it brought near the mouth of the test tube? You must have found that non-metal generally do not react with acid, but metals react with acidic and produce a hydrogen gas. So metals react with acid. Suppose one of the metal sodium reacts with the HCl, they form a sodium hydroxide, sodium, then hydrogen gas burn with the pop sound. Also hydrogen gas is the burn with the pop sound created. You must have noticed that copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid even on heating, but it react with the sulfuric acid. So look at this picture. How do acid and base react with metal? I will explain some short activities. How do acid and base react with the metal? It is a reaction of the zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid. Zinc granule, zinc is the zinc granule means zinc के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े. Zinc is the metal, and we added the in the zinc granule with dilute sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the one of the acid, then and testing hydrogen gas by the burning. What happening actually when acid, how do acid react, acid and base react with metal? So in this activity we need the teacher assigned. So set the apparatus as shown in figure. Now take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in the test tube and add few pieces of the zinc granule to it. So look at here, take about 5 ml of the dilute hydrochloric acid. So it is a 5 ml dilute hydrochloric acid. It is a 5 ml dilute hydrochloric acid, and then in a test tube, and we added few drops of the zinc granule, and we added, it is a few drops of the zinc granule. Few drops of this zinc granule. Now what do you observe on the surface of the zinc granule? Pass the gas being evolved through the soap solution. Pass the gas evolved through the soap solution, and it is a soap solution. So आपने क्या किया, इधर से वो गैस यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन गैस यहाँ से यहाँ पास कर दिया, मतलब यहाँ हाइड्रोजन गैस के क्या निकल रहे हैं, या बबल्स निकल रहे हैं हाइड्रोजन गैस के. हमें ये देखना है कि ये हाइड्रोजन गैस किस तरह से दिखता है. इज ए हाइड्रोजन गैस वो, और पॉप साउंड क्या करेगा, वो क्रिएट करेगा. एंड देन वी से डैट इट इज ए एसिडिक इन दिस नेचर. मेटल्स रिएक्ट विद दिस metal, and they acid reacts, metal react with the acid, and they create a pop sound. And here it is a create a pop sound. It is a candle, then burning of hydrogen gas with a pop sound. Suppose आपने वो burning किया हो hydrogen gas, तो वो pop sound create करेगा. Now it is a soap bubble filled with the hydrogen gas. It is a soap solution, any soap solution. So you look at here how to produce the pop sound. So then acid and base react with metal, they form salt, and this hydrogen gas is evolved from this system. So acid plus metal, one of the acid means what, acid plus metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Zinc granule Zn plus HCl or H2 sulfuric acid H2SO4, they form salt and H2 hydrogen gas evolved from this system. Also, can you now write the equation for the reaction you have observed? Now the reaction that take place can be writing as follow. Suppose Na sodium hydroxide NaOH is the basic solution. Then sodium zincnate in बेस सॉल्यूशन की रिएक्शन एसिड मेटल के साथ हो गई तो सोडियम जिंकनेट में लेगा और हाइड्रोजन गैस क्या होगा, इवॉल्व होगा. सो यू फाइंड अगेन द हाइड्रोजन गैस बी फॉर्म इन दिस रिएक्शन. So it is a reaction of the zinc granule with dilute sulfuric acid testing hydrogen gas from this burning. Now next reaction, reactions with base, but before that I again explain you. So metal generally do not react with acid, but metals, non-metal do not generally react with acid, but metals react with acid and product hydrogen gas. जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया किस तरह से हाइड्रोजन गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है, बिकॉज द बर्न विद द पॉप साउंड क्रिएट करेगा. देन यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस दैट कॉपर डज नॉट रिएक्ट विद द डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इवन ऑन हीटिंग, बट इट रिएक्ट विद सल्फ्यूरिक acid. Now next is the reaction with this base. So to the demonstrated by the teacher during the preparation of sodium hydroxide solution. Now prepare the fresh solution of the sodium hydroxide in a test tube by dissolve 3-4 petals of this 5 ml of water. Drop a pieces of aluminium foil into it. Bring the burning matchstick near the mouth of this test tube. Observe carefully. So dissolve 3-4 petals in 5 ml of this water. Drop a pieces of aluminium foil into it. Bring a burning matchstick. What does the pop sound indicate? As before, the pop sound indicates the presence of hydrogen gas, and metal react with sodium hydroxide. It produces a hydrogen gas, and reaction of the non-metal with the bases are the complex. So in this आपने एक कर दिया तो क्या होगा, जब उसमें से पॉप साउंड क्रिएट होगा तभी हम बोलेंगे कि इट इज एसिडिक इन नेचर. बट मेटल्स रिएक्ट विथ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड टू प्रोड्यूस एंड ऑल्सो वी प्रोड्यूस अ हाइड्रोजन गैस. रिएक्शन ऑफ द नॉन मेटल विथ बेस आर दी complex. Now next is the displacement reaction. So recall the activity of the reaction between the copper sulfate and iron that you perform in class 7. Later observe some more reaction of this kind. So take 500 ml of this beaker and label then ABCD like that, ABCDE. आपको इस तरह से beaker लेने हैं 5. Then 5 ml of the water in each beaker. 5 ml water लेना है. Then dissolve in each beaker is the teaspoonful of each substance of this indicate. Keep the beakers undisturbed for some times. Then record your observation in your notebook. So beaker first copper sulfate. beaker first copper sulfate plus a zinc granule. आपको beaker first में क्या लेना है, copper sulfate plus a zinc granule. Then beaker B copper sulfate plus a iron nail. We put a iron nail from the second beaker. Then beaker C iron sulfate FeSO4 plus a copper turning Cu. And then beaker D zinc sulfate per iron nail. It is a displacement reaction. A and B is the displacement reaction. What happened actually in this case? So what change do you observe in various beaker? You have read that one metal displace another metal from its compound. So one metal displace another metal from its compound. Suppose copper is the one of the metal and zinc is the other metal. Then copper replaced to this zinc. So you have read the one metal displaced to the another metal from its compound is aqueous solution. In beaker A, zinc replace copper. In beaker A, zinc replace copper and zinc replace copper from a copper sulfate CuSO4. zinc क्या करेगा, कॉपर को रिप्लेस कर दे, बिकॉज रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ द कॉपर इज लेस, एंड देन दे फॉर्म ए Cu copper sulfate solution. That is why the blue color of this copper sulfate disappear and the powder red mass of this copper is deposited at the bottom of the beaker. The reaction can be represented as follows. Suppose copper sulfate solution in beaker first CuSO4. We added the zinc Zn, some जिंक ग्रैनुल आपने ऐड कर दिए तो क्या होगा, जिंक सल्फेट Zn फॉर्म है जिंक सल्फेट, मीन जिंक सल्फेट, और वो कॉपर को क्या करेगा, कॉपर वहाँ से चला जाएगा, मतलब कॉपर डिस्प्लेस होगा, Cu रेड इन कलर. सो कॉपर सल्फेट प्लस जिंक दे फॉर्म ए जिंक सल्फेट सोल्यूशन बिकॉज दिस जिंक displays to this copper, so displays to this copper, that's why ZnSO4. So ZnSO4 plus Cu is the displaced from this reaction. So you can write down the reaction taking place in beaker B in smaller manner. So second is the, what is second? Second is this copper sulfate. How to write copper sulfate and iron nail? Copper sulfate CuSO4 plus iron nail. Iron nail. Fe. How to write from this reaction? You write this reaction as like, because या क्या होगा, कॉपर तो डिस्प्लेस होगा, सो कॉपर सल्फेट प्लस जिंक एंड ऑल्सो आयरन नेल. अभी CuSO4 तो कॉपर क्या बनेगा, आयरन सल्फेट सोल्यूशन. सो यू राइट हियर CuSO4 plus Fe to form FeSO4 plus Cu. That this is the reaction because we replace this Cu from this Fe, CuSO4, FeSO4, and Cu gets replaced from this reaction. Now you can write down the reactions taking place in the beaker B in the small manner. We also write from this reaction. Now I have understand the reaction taking place in beaker A and B, but I am still confused why there is no change in beaker C and D and E. So there could have been displacement of the zinc by copper in beaker C by iron in beaker E. Similarly, iron could be displaced by the copper in beaker D. So since we do not see any change in beaker C, we can infer that copper not able to replace zinc. Copper is not able to replace zinc. Why copper is not able to replace zinc? Why copper is not able to replace zinc from zinc sulfate? But why, when zinc can replace copper in beaker A, why cannot copper replace zinc in beaker C? So today we stop here, and another part of the chapter we discuss about the next video.